So hello everyone, welcome back to Spectra series. Now let us see problem number 7. So here we ask us to print every integer between 1 and n divisible by m. Also report whether the number that is divisible by m is even or odd. So to do this, first we are going to take n equal to int input, enter the of repetition. Now we are going to get the m, which is the divisible number. So we are going to use input, enter the number to check divisibility. Okay. Now after getting this, we are going to use the for loop to get between 1 and n. For I in range from 1 to n. If so I is divisible by m, then if I divisible by equal to 0. So first we're checking if it is divisible by that number or not. Then we're checking it is even or not. This is the condition for even. So print I comma the n is divisible by m and it's even. Now for odd, use the else part. Print I comma I m and it's odd. Now let us see how this works. Now let me enter the number as 12. So let me use 2. So it should show only table of 2.